turn wipes into powerful cleaners. Apply the paste to these cleaning wipes, and they'll gain extraordinary powers. With just a few simple ingredients, you can transform ordinary wipes into heavy-duty cleaners. Pour about 7 fluid ounces of white vinegar into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Squeeze in about 2 inches of toothpaste. Mix everything well. The combination of vinegar and salt acts as a strong disinfectant, while the toothpaste adds a fresh scent and extra cleaning power thanks to its gentle, abrasive, and antibacterial properties. Next, take a few wipes and fold them into rectangles. Place the folded wipes into a glass container. Carefully pour the liquid mixture over the wipes, making sure they're fully soaked. A glass jar helps preserve the solution's strength and prevents any unwanted chemical reactions that can happen in plastic containers. When it's time to clean and disinfect, just grab a wipe and use it as needed. White vinegar is especially effective at cutting through grease and grime, while the salt scrubs away tough stains. Plus, the mix has excellent descaling properties, making it perfect for bathroom and kitchen surfaces prone to buildup in limescale. Apply toothpaste to a bar of soap. An ordinary bar of soap saves me a lot of time when keeping my bathroom clean. Start by grating the soap using a coarse grater. It's the cheapest disinfectant and works well on tough stains. Transfer the soap flakes to a bowl and add toothpaste. The toothpaste helps bind the ingredients into a uniform sticky mass. Using your hands, form small balls from the mixture, pressing them firmly to maintain their shape. Set them aside to dry on a board. Meanwhile, cut pieces of aluminum foil with scissors. Wrap each soap and toothpaste ball in a piece of foil. Then, use a toothpick to poke small holes in the balls. These cleaning balls are now ready. Place them in the toilet tank, ensuring they're submerged in water. Close the tank, and you're done. These balls last up to 2 weeks, cleaning the toilet with every flush. They create foam, leave a pleasant scent, and prevent limescale buildup. I put a bag over the fan and couldn't believe the results. I had never done it this way before. Prepare a container and squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste into it. Any cheap toothpaste you have at home will do. Then, add 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix until the toothpaste dissolves. The next ingredient is dish soap. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add it to the mixture. Finally, pour in vinegar. Make sure it's white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons. Mix everything thoroughly. Get a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour in the mixture you just made. When you take out your fan in the spring, its blades and casing are covered in dust. Spray it generously with the solution. It's very important to clean it thoroughly before the first use. Dust and mites can cause runny noses, allergies, and respiratory problems. The solution will get into all the nooks and crannies without having to disassemble the casing. Once you've thoroughly sprayed the fan, take a clean trash bag and put it over the fan, tying it securely. Then, turn on the highest setting. The mixture will spread throughout the fan and expel the dust. It only takes 1 minute. After that, just remove the bag and throw it away. If you want, you can wipe the fan with a cloth, but you don't have to, and you're done. Combine toothpaste with baking soda, and the results will truly surprise you. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a natural and gentle cleaner that's highly effective. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Its whitening and abrasive properties work wonders on stains and residues, leaving a fresh scent. The final ingredient is dish soap. Add 1 tablespoon to the mix. Dish soap has strong degreasing properties and dissolves tough grime, even greasy stains. Mix all ingredients thoroughly until you get a thick, smooth paste. Using a damp sponge, apply the mixture to your sink and strainer, focusing on stains and buildup. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to work its magic, then rinse thoroughly. Your sink will be sparkling clean, fresh, and free of residue and unpleasant odors. This simple homemade paste is an affordable, safe, and eco-friendly way to restore shine and maintain cleanliness in your kitchen. This is how you clean a greasy range hood without scrubbing. Just place it in the bathtub and add one simple item. Metal filters collect dust and grease, and many people forget to clean them regularly. But the process doesn't have to be time-consuming. Simply remove the filter from the hood. If it hasn't been cleaned for a while, you'll see a thick layer of grease and dust. Getting rid of it can be quick and effortless. Place the filter in the bathtub, then add some cold water, especially important if you have an acrylic tub. Take a regular dishwasher tablet and place it on the filter. Pour 2 liters of boiling water over it and let it sit for 15 minutes. The tablet will dissolve, and its cleaning power will start working immediately. Grease and food buildup will disappear from every corner of the filter without you having to scrub. Finally, dry the filter and reinstall it. And that's it. What's your go-to method for cleaning range hood filters? This blue liquid will make stainless steel shine like new. You'll never reach for store-bought cleaners again. Start by preparing a spray bottle. That's where you'll create the magic mix. Now grab some toothpaste. It's not just for brushing teeth, it's also a great cleaner. Squeeze a bit directly into the bottle, then add some rubbing alcohol to prevent streaks. The next ingredient is vinegar, perfect for removing limescale and grease, leaving surfaces shiny. Pour a small amount into the bottle. Now add a little baby oil. It acts as a protective layer. Top it all off with filtered water if possible. Close the bottle tightly and shake well. Check the bottom to make sure the toothpaste has fully dissolved. Your cleaner is ready. Spray it on all your stainless steel surfaces and wipe with a cloth. No more greasy smudges or grime. Stainless steel will shine and look like new. With this method, you'll avoid harsh store-bought chemicals and keep surfaces cleaner for longer. Put toothpaste on a lemon and toss it into the drum. The result will surprise you. Few people regularly clean their washing machine, often putting it off. Unfortunately, this habit is a bad one. Washing machines collect a lot of dirt, but these simple ingredients will keep yours in perfect condition. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive cleaners. Cut a lemon in half and spread toothpaste on each piece. Both lemon and toothpaste have antibacterial and disinfecting properties. Drop the prepared lemon halves into the washing machine. Next, lift the rubber seal around the drum and sprinkle some baking soda inside. Then, pour vinegar over it. Finally, run a short wash cycle. And that's it. Once the cycle is done, remove the lemon, and your washing machine will be as good as new. This method ensures a disinfected and refreshed interior while also removing limescale and preventing future buildup. A clever trick for cleaning a dirty induction hob. This method takes just a few minutes and leaves your hob looking like new, no scrubbing required. Stains, streaks, and even burnt-on spots will disappear like magic. You only need 2 products. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Baking soda helps remove tough stains as a natural abrasive. Next, grab half a lemon. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which dissolves calcium deposits and white marks while leaving a refreshing citrus scent. Rub the hob surface with the lemon pulp, focusing on white streaks and tough stains in circular motions. The citric acid reacts with the baking soda, creating a gentle foam that helps lift dirt. Finally, wipe the hob clean with a damp cloth. Use this simple method to keep your induction hob looking brand new without spending on expensive cleaning products.